There will be wars, political instability, nationalism with nations against nation, and in the natural world, there will be earthquakes, pestilence, and famine. James 5, verse 1 to 8 say that in the economic world, there will be instability, uncertainty, and strife between the wealthy and the poor. And 2 Timothy 3, verse 1 to 5 say in the moral world, there will be corruption, pleasure seeking, and intense evil. Daniel 12, verse 4 say in the world of knowledge, there will be an explosion of information and technology. And 2 Peter 3, verse 3 and 4, in the religious world, there will be scoffers, skeptics, and a lack of true spirituality. Revelation 7 1 to 3 say, why hasn't Jesus come yet? The four angels are continuing to hold